Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I want to show you how to grill a piece of fish today. I have beautiful steak. You can have those frozen. Those actually were frozen individually and let them defrost under refrigeration. Depending on the thickness of it, this is swordfish, of course, and this one's a bit thicker than the other one. That will determine the amount of cooking. But what I want to show you there, salt, pepper, and a little bit of corn oil. It could be any type of oil, but it doesn't have any taste. Just to oil the top, to put it in there. Okay. Of course, I do it usually outside on my grill, but here, so I'm putting it there, cooking it at least a minute and a half to start with, and then we'll cover it. The garnish here, I have different type of garnish. I'm going to do like half a cup, maybe diced tomato. I have a dozen kalamata olive here. Should have the black olive. A couple of tablespoons. I will have enough here. A couple of tablespoons of sweet onion. A bit of parsley here. You can use that for any type of fish. Another piece of zucchini. I'm going to use a piece of zucchini as well. So this has been cooking close to a minute and a half now. So I'm going to leave it here. It marks nicely. I may even change the direction to have it marked on both sides, but I will cover it so that the steam will cook the top a little bit. That's more than enough here. So I have all that beautiful garnish of vegetable here. Dash of salt on top of it again, a little dash of pepper, and I would say a good tablespoon or maybe 2 tablespoons of 1 tablespoon per portion of olive oil. That we're going to serve that on top. And I don't want this to be cold, so I'm going to put that in the microwave oven for like 45 seconds. So now I'm going to I shut it off and just leave it there for like 4 or 5 minutes. And now my sauce is not cooked, but it's warm now. Good. Depends, of course, the way you like your fish. I like it slightly underdone inside. So here this has been covered, and as you can see, because of the steam, it cooked the top. Now it's still slightly bare in the center, but I can see it's nicely marked. So as long as it's marked like that on one side, whoop. This one would be for my wife because she likes it more rare than I do. And with that beautiful sauce on top and around. And here it is, the grilled swordfish with a beautiful vegetable garnish. Happy cooking and enjoy.